Click on File and New. Select Template and rename. Click on Create. I have already made it, now I will tell you step by step. Create color layer. Again click on Adjustment layer and Solid color. Select red color and press OK. Select Mask. Click on Image panel, Adjustments and Invert. Select Brush Tool and follow the process. Place the Santa's hand. Now I will show you how to remove background. Select Quick Selection tool and click on Select Subject. Now click on Layer Mask. Now I am applying red tone on the hand. Select Hand, click on Adjustment layer and Color Balance. Increase red tone around 65. Now make some adjustment in hand. Create new layer, right-click and create clipping mask. Select Brush tool and follow the process. Select Eyedropper tool and pick color near the edge. I already have this layer, so I'm deleting it. Add some lightness in the hand. Add shadow on the hand. Add some hard shadow on top. Change blend mode normal to multiply. Change opacity around 70%. Now I'm adding our product. Now I'm increase saturation of the coriander. Click on Adjustment layer and Hue saturation. Select green tone for target the coriander only. Increase saturation around 60 and increase lightness around 10. Now add some lightness on the food. I'll show you how to apply it. Select Brush tool. Increase brush size. Make sure foreground color is white. Now apply the color on food. Change blend mode normal to soft light. Opacity around 35%. Now select Eraser tool and follow the process. Now add shadow on the bowl. Change blend mode normal to multiply. Opacity around 32%. Add another shadow, blend mode multiply opacity around 50%. Now add dark shadow in the bottom of the bowl. Blend mode multiply and opacity 60%. Add red tone on the bowl. Blend mode multiply and opacity 95%. Now create shadow below the bowl. Create new layer and select Brush tool. Right-click and follow the same process. Make sure foreground color is black. I have already this, so I'm delete it, and add another soft shadow. Now I'll show you how to create it. I have already this, so I'm delete it. I will show you how to make like this. Blend mode, multiply and opacity around 50%. Now I'm adding this salt like Christmas tree. Let's go to see how to create this salt effect. Create new layer and select pen tool. Now create a triangle. Make sure foreground color is white and click on shape. Right-click and click on Convert to Smart Object. Change blend mode normal to dissolve. Click on Filter panel, Blur and Gaussian blur. Blur radius 10 pixels. Opacity around 10%. I have already this, so I'm delete it. Now create some lightness below the hand. Now I'll show you how to create it. Select brush tool and follow the process. Decrease opacity around 25%. Follow the same process and make it some bigger, opacity around 15%. Now I'll show you how to create this star effect. Create new layer and select brush tool. Now follow the same process. Click once time and select Move tool. Now press Ctrl plus J and rotate by holding Shift. Select both layer by holding Shift and press Ctrl plus E. Press again Ctrl plus J and rotate by holding Shift. Make it a little shorter. Select both layer by holding Shift and press Ctrl plus E. Select brush tool and follow the process. Click 2 or 3 times in the center. Now you can use it. Create duplicate and place on the top. Now place the Christmas sparkles tree. Opacity around 60%. Click on Layer Mask and select Brush tool. Make sure foreground color is black and erase the bottom part of tree. It's done. Now add some text here. Font name Cookie. Text size around 75 point. Font name Barn Schrift. Font style Semilight. Text size 20 point. Click on the top layer and press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E. Right-click and click on Convert to Smart Object. Click on Filter panel and Camera Raw Filter. Click on Basic. Now adjust the color and tone of your image. Play with filter and press OK. As you can see this second design. Let me show you what I did here, but faster. This is the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial.